What is product lifecycle? As we know, every project delivers a unique product or service as an output. So this product undergoes a life cycle. Like initially we may deliver a minimum viable product with very less features. We call it as a minimum viable product. These features can basically perform the minimum functions, which delivers reasonably good value to the customer. So that is a minimum viable product. And once the product is, we feel that this product is viable, then we build more and more features onto it. And it reaches the pinnacle. And after that, it continues with the downward trend. And towards the end, the product is scrapped. This is explained in a better way by the BCG metrics by the Boston Consulting Group. So in that, we have 4 quadrants, and every product starts as a question mark because we don't know the future of the product. Maybe a minimum viable product happens in the question mark segment, and once it starts bringing in some revenue, then it moves to the star the star quadrant. That means this is a promising product, and from there it moves into the cash cow. That means the product brings in a lot of benefits to the organization. Sorry. And from there it moves on to the dog state. That means it is time to scrap it. So throughout the product development life cycle, generally the products are managed as programs, and it comes under the portfolio. So when we ramp up the product, there is a portfolio management, and similarly for ramping down the product also, we have the portfolio management active, and under that programs, and under that projects. So these are the phases. You start slowly, you ramp up, build more features, it becomes a cash cow, and then you start the descent, and it gets into the dog state. I repeat again, every product starts as an idea, that is a question mark, prototyping, minimum viable features, then it gets into a star mark, means this is a promising product. So we give more resources, or we approve more resources to be deployed in the project, and then it becomes a cash cow, and it keeps bringing in a lot of revenue. And after the cash cow, we may not invest. Over a period of time, maybe the technology becomes obsolete, the business case of the project gets depleted, then it becomes a dog. This is the typical life cycle of a product.